Summer is a great time to make cold tofu dishes for a healthy snack or a light lunch. And I'm going to show you 4 silken tofu dishes that I like to make. And here is the super sauce, great for tofu, salad, or marinating. Because of how it's made, silken tofu is the best type of tofu to eat raw. The first 2 dishes are made from off-the-shelf ingredients that doesn't require any cooking. You can add any seasoning you like to suit your taste. Salted duck egg is a traditional Chinese ingredient. Some people use southern-year-old egg, which is black color. The next 2 dishes you can add cooked ingredients or deli meat. Garlic sage shrimp is a good combo that I like. To eat with the silken tofu, you can use any kind of fruit from the cooked food section of the supermarket, like the sliced beef, teriyaki chicken, sauteed pepper, or sauteed mushroom, and you can be creative. Here I have baked some marinated duck breast meat, which is great for summer, and the recipe is right below the video. The next video will be about the cooked silken tofu. Please subscribe my channel.